Hey guys, let's get started. So the first thing is we go into shapes and then we'll click on square. Now we're going to go ahead and change the size, unlock. The width would be 7 and the height would be 18 centimeters. Lock that. Now let's go into images and then under project type I'm going to click on cards, and under ownership I'm going to click on free. Let's scroll down and look for our image. Today we are going to be choosing this one here. Insert image. Now I'm going to change the size of this image or this pattern. Now the size would be 6 by 16.5, so unlock and key that in. Once you're happy with that, you can lock that up. Now this has got a few layers, so I'm going to go to the right hand side on top, and you can see that I'm going to click on the eye icon on the first one and the third one, so that removes the layers at the back. Now I'm going to go to the contour button at the bottom, and I'm going to click on the first shape, the one here, and then let's scroll down. I'm going to go ahead and click on this too. So basically I'm removing these 4 signs here. Okay, let's go down and find for the other 2. There you go, it's here. Now once that is done, so that is removed, let's change this horizontally. Now let's go to text, and you can type in your name. So I'm just going to type in Ruby, and then I'm going to go to font, go to filter under my fonts, and then I'm going to go all the way up, and I am going to be choosing this particular font here. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to bring it to the middle of that design earlier, unlock, and then I'm going to highlight and put that in the center, and then highlight once again and click on attach. And let's change this to a vertical position. Now once that is done, let's go into shapes and click on circle. Now I'm going to change the color of the circle. This is for the hole. We're making a hole for the ribbon or the cord that we'll be using for the bookmark. Now once I'm happy with the size, I'm going to just place this in the middle on top. Now once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and highlight, and I'm going to copy and paste. So I'll bring this copy to the side. Now I'll highlight and click on attach. Once that is done, I'll go back to that image and bring that to that cut here. And now you can leave it as it is, or you can do what I'm doing. I'm just going to go and click on the image, unlock, and I'm just going to make the size of the pattern slightly bigger just to fit into the bookmark. So you can see here, once you're happy with the size, you can go ahead, highlight and attach that. It becomes one image, and I'll change the color of this. So that's going to be the front page, and the other one is going to be the back part of the bookmark. So go ahead and make it, and the rest is quite simple. We're just going to paste and use our craft cord to make the bookmark. Thank you for watching.